it's hard when you don't get the time.